Deep beneath our feet, the Earth is a place of immense heat and pressure. The crust we live on is a jigsaw puzzle of large pieces called tectonic plates. But what happens when the molten rock below, known as magma, finds a weak spot? It rises, and a volcano is born.
That's right. A volcano is essentially a vent in the Earth's surface. Think of the magma chamber as a giant underground balloon. It's filled with superheated rock and trapped gases. When the pressure builds up enough, it has to escape. That's when we see an eruption.
Eruptions aren't all the same. They can be gentle or incredibly violent, depending on the magma's viscosity or thickness.
So like ketchup versus water?
Exactly. A volcano with thin runny magma, like the volcanoes in Hawaii, will have a gentle, effusive eruption. The gases can escape easily and the lava flows out slowly, creating broad shield-shaped volcanoes.
But what about those dramatic, explosive eruptions we often see in movies?
That's a different story. If the magma is thick and sticky, like peanut butter, the gases get trapped. The pressure builds and builds until it can no longer be contained. The eruption that follows is explosive, blasting ash, gas, and rock fragments high into the atmosphere. This type of eruption builds steep, cone-shaped volcanoes like Mount St. Helens.
During an eruption, a volcano can spew out a variety of materials.
Yes, but also much more. The term lava only applies to the molten rock once it reaches the surface. We also see ash, which are tiny fragments of rock and glass, volcanic bombs, which are large chunks of lava that harden in the air, and dangerous, fast-moving currents of hot gas and ash known as pyroclastic flows. These are some of the most destructive forces in a volcanic eruption.
Volcanoes are a powerful reminder that our planet is a dynamic living system, constantly shifting and changing beneath our feet.